fall. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out here from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Searchlight. And as you can see, I look a little bit different because I had an eye accident. So it's either doing this with a patch for a week or two or no videos. So I figured can do some videos with a patch. Who cares, right? Swedish pirate. Alright, so here we go. Searchlight. Let's put a cape on too, please. We got A minor shape. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. And we got F major. Let's play F like this. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so it's gonna sit well here with open chords, and we got that intro that goes. So from the F, grab third finger on 3rd fret D string, move it down to 2nd fret while holding the 1st finger. And that plays C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Verse. Let's go to the chorus. First time it's the same. This time we're gonna go. So that's almost like the intro. 3, 2, C, and end on the G. Okay, so that's the two parts, verse and chorus. Then we have the chorus that goes. I'm sorry. 2, 3, 2, 3, G. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, A. G major. 3, 2, 3, A minor. Let's do that again. So that's the bridge after the second chorus. And then we just have a breakdown. Cool. Searchlight. Cape 2. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, with more great songs. And be well, be safe. I'll see you soon. Thank you.